Welcome to DapperVista DIY More. Here's a brief intro to our channel. In 2018, my wife Tiffany and I packed our belongings, put our South Side home for sale, and U-hauled to start our wonderful new life together. We traveled from the country's second city, Chicago, 10 hours south, to Conway, Arkansas, where I began an assistant professor of creative writing post. That year, we had a beautiful wedding in Mexico. We lost our beloved pet Sammy, and we welcomed our new puppy Whiskey to the family. We began to think about our lives and decided that homesteading would be the path for us. As we search for the perfect property to build Connor Homestead, we're using our time wisely to develop skill sets that will be beneficial on the homestead. We're cooking, canning, fishing, shooting, building things, and growing our own food in soil and hydroponically. We're also documenting our progress, for those of you interested, right here on DapperVista DIY More. Or, for a humorous recap on our life, pour up a bourbon and join us on our Pink Whiskey and Bourbon Girl videos. In any case, we hope to see you soon. Thanks. Bye.